So I went into Primark for one thing. Did I get the one thing? Of course I did not, but I've got loads of like outfits to show you. I'm just thinking Christmas vibes. I'm getting very excited, and let me show you what I've got. I did buy this previous to Halloween, and I just realised that it's going to be 2 Primark hauls in a row, but I didn't mean to do this, guys. I didn't mean to do it. I just kept seeing things. I'm like, oh my god, I've got in that day. Do you know that day where Primark just has everything in? That's the day I went in. I did end up buying this, and some cycling shorts. So I was going to cut this, do this, cut these, and be Lara Croft, and I had some other bits. Long story short, I went to the MAC Halloween event. If you haven't seen my TikTok, please go on my TikTok. Oh my god, I'm so proud of like my makeup and stuff. I love it. And it got 1 million views. So I got them, and I didn't go as Lara Croft, so I'm returning them. So that's irrelevant. When I tell you I'm excited for this, I'm excited. It's a neon green suit. Oh my god, I can't believe I got a neon green suit. Pretty sure this was £25. And these, because I've got no tag, I'll get that one. And these were 16. I've got the size 8 in the bottoms, and I got a size 8 in the blazer as well. I did want to go size 10, so it was more like oversized. That's the word. They didn't have any. They only had the sort of small ones, and I think they had like size 16 and stuff like that, or size 14. And I was thinking, now it's going to be too big. I want it to be like a nice amount of bagginess, but let me show you what it looks like on. I'm going to pair this with this little bralette as well. So this little bralette is in the bra section. It's £7. I got mine in 10 to 12. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not, because I don't know if I'm in love with it. I bought it to go with the suit, but I've got another top from Quiz, and I'll show you that as well with it on. But I bought it to go with that, and I'm not 100% sure. It gives you cone boobs, but I'll show you the whole outfit together. Oh, I also got these shoes I'm putting on with it. These were 15 quid. So these are like proper platform shoes. I have worn them for the MAC Halloween event. I just love when they've got like the thickness here and not just straight to the floor, because I feel like they hurt less. But they still end up hurting my feet. I need to try that freeze thing that people spray on the feet. Still, I keep saying that. I'm gonna put these on because I don't know how to show you guys. So basically, I can't, like they're too long on the bottom, so I might have to put you somewhere else so I can actually show you what I mean. Oh, I just feel like hip. Do you know what I mean? Like I just feel hip. I hope I can show you. I might just take a video on my phone and I'll put it here, because it's good to admit that you can't see the full thing. Oh, that's so much better. So you can see what I mean on the feet. It's just the perfect length. Oh my god, I love it. Do you know what I mean though? I've only bought the, oh, it looks so like, I feel like this just complements my figure. I love the colour. I don't know if it's just because I like neon green, or is it lime green? But I feel like the colour really suits me, especially like with the brunette hair, like the bob. I feel like the bob's bobbing. So the top is not from Primark, it is another suit. It's like pinstripe, and it's like a glittery, what is it? Is it like a glittery pinstripe? I'll show you. Can you see it? So it catches the light. I love a pinstripe suit, and I really wanted one. This is a size 10. I feel like this was £23. And then they actually have pockets. I just sewed them up, but you can just obviously pry them out. And then these are straight leg bottoms, and these are size 8. They still fit so nice. Like my waist is just like perfectly fitting for a size 8. I feel like it's very true to size for a size 8. It's like really nice and straight down. I really want to keep this one as well, so I think it's a nice suit. It's more relaxed vibe, but obviously with the top I've paired it with, it just looks so cute, and you can tell it's just more oversized with the blazer, and you don't have to wear like this blazer with these bottoms either. I just feel like, oh, it just looks so cute. Like I could just wear, oh, like I could just wear this together, or I could just, oh, I feel like this is so comfortable to wear as well. It's so comfy yet like stylish, and I feel like I could wear this multiple times. I feel like it's one of those suits which won't go out of fashion. Like the coloured one that I've got might go out of fashion, but this, I feel like it's not going to go out of fashion. Sorry if it's like, if you can hear the rain outside, it's really hammering it down. Okay, so then I've got this dress, but let me show you these headbands. Like this dress was 15 quid, size 8. I got it in a size 6 as well, but size 8, it just fits so much better. It's such like a classic dress, like it's just a very classic black dress with just the detailing. These headbands are £3. They get a pink one and they get like this one. I thought, oh my god, this literally matches it perfectly. So I thought, oh my god, like that. Oh, knowing me, I'd probably curl my hair or something, or I'd just brush my hair back because I like a slick back look. But like for £3, £1.50 each. No, because I feel like that slick back just looks cute. Like I was like a, not a Russian doll, but like, it's very 90s vibe to just like slick the hair back. Oh, how cute is that? Imagine. I feel like I'm out of, oh my god, that calf. Like I'm out of like a film. Like I feel like I'm in the 90s or something, like early 2000s. With the hair, the sparkle, the way the dress is just holding like a mini dress, the shoes. It's giving me early 2000 vibes and I love it. Like just look how cute. It's not the best figure hugging one, I would say that. But like, oh my god, let me show you my bag though. This is not from Primark either, sorry. Oh my god, this bag. This bag. I know it's a lot of sparkle, but still. This was £20 from H&M. And they have a black one as well, but this one is just screen my name. And I know it's a Primark haul, but like, it's just so cute. Like, does that not scream early 2000s for you? Let me get my flip phone out. Look at that! Is that not the cutest thing ever? Oh, I've changed my mind, I think. I was gonna return this, but now I really like it, especially like with the pink headband. Because this is the part of the sparkly headband from the other set. And then this is the bralette. I feel like I like the bralette as well. For God's sake, Hannah, you can't keep everything. The black goes with the black bow. And again, same heels. These are straight leg trousers, but they're a tiniest bit tighter on my legs here, so my quads, than the black ones. I wish they had pink buttons like the green one has pink, the green one has green buttons, and these just have black buttons. So I wish that they have pink buttons, but it kind of goes with the black then. Oh, I like this. Do I keep it, guys? I feel like, so the bottoms, where's the bottoms? So I got size 8, 15 quid, and then this was, I'm pretty sure this was 27, size 10. Yeah, £27 in a size 10. I feel like when I just literally tried the bottoms on their own, I feel like that looks so cute. But I'm like wondering, well, I like it now because pink's in, but then in a couple of years I'll just be like, why the hell have I bought like that bright ass pink? I'll never wear it kind of thing. But oh, I really like it. I don't know that properly because it's my last outfit. Because now I'm like, oh my god, the black inside goes with the black, goes with the black. Like, oh, why is it so cute? I don't know what to do, guys, but yeah, that is the last thing that I bought. So that's what I got from Primark. Yeah, no free bags worth though. I think it's because I got like big, like obviously the blazer and the trousers and then the shoes and stuff. Thank you guys for watching to the end. Give it a like if you like this video, if you want more videos like this. Like I said, let me know what videos you want to see because there's so many ideas I've got that I need to actually plan them in, to where it's gonna be like every Sunday there's gonna be a video and then some extras here and there, some extra spice on YouTube. So honestly, there's that much makeup that's coming out and all like those TikTok products. I'm like, oh my god, it's makeup mania. Okay guys, love you, and I shall see you guys in the next one.